What if the ground beneath your feet gave way without warning? On July 28, 1883, the idyllic Italian isle of Ischia was rocked by a devastating earthquake. The 5.8 magnitude quake may sound moderate, yet it unleashed chaos, obliterating towns and claiming over 2,300 lives. Known as the Catastrophe earthquake, it highlighted the fragility of the island's infrastructure, leaving survivors grappling with ruins and the haunting silence of grief. This tragic event spurred crucial advancements in seismology and influenced Italy's approach to seismic safety. Despite its relatively low profile, the Ischia earthquake remains an important chapter in the history of natural disasters, echoing a timeless lesson on the need for preparedness.